Now discuss a problem on quadratic expressions. Question is 2 into x plus 1 by x whole square minus 7 into x plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 0 when x is not equal to 0. Here observe the equation in that let x plus 1 by x is the unknown variable. X plus 1 by x is the other variable taking as a y. This y substitute in the above equation, let it be equation 1. The given question is equation 1. 2y square minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, it can solved by the splitting the middle term. 5 to the 10. 10 factors, 5 and 2 only. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Here negative 7 is there. So, negative 7 can write it as minus 5y minus 2y. So, 2y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. In the first two terms, taking common y, remaining terms are 2y minus 5. In the last two terms, taking common minus 1, 2y minus 5. From the 2, taking common the factor 2y minus 5, the remaining factor, other factor is y minus 1 equal to 0. Here, either first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0. That is 2y minus 5 equal to 0 or y minus 1 equal to 0. Now, take the y value, that is y equal to x plus 1 by x. Substitute in the place of y, then it is 2 into x plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 0. Take the LCM, 2 into x square plus 1 over x minus 5 equal to 0. Again take the LCM for all the terms. X is the LCM. 2 is multiply the numerator factor, that is 2x square plus 2 ones are 2 minus here 5 has the denominator 1, 5 is multiplied with the x minus 5x equal to 0. This x is taking to right side, then it can transferred into x quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Then again use the split the middle term. Here x square coefficient is 2, constant is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. From the first two terms, 2x is common, x minus 2. From the last two terms, minus 1 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 2 factor is common, the other factor is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From this, x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 2, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. Here, from the case 1, x equal to 2 or x equal to 1 by 2 are the values. In the other case, y minus 1 equal to 0 is the second equation. In that substitute the y value, that is x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. X plus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 0. Now taking the LCM, x is the LCM, here x has the denominator 1, so x is multiplied with x. Here 1 has the denominator 1, 1 is also multiplied with x. X into x, x square plus 1 minus 1 into x, x equal to 0. This denominator x is taking to right side, then that is equal to 0. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here 1 factors is 1 only, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, but here middle term is there. Use the quadratic formula, that is x equal to, or the general equation, comparing with the general equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to -1, c equal to 1. The quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here substitute in that x equal to minus b means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus under root of b square is minus 1 whole square minus 4 a is 1 c is 1 by 2 into a is 1. Now simplify it. X equal to 1 plus or minus under root of minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 4 by 2. X equal to 1 plus or minus root minus 3 over 2. Minus root 1, root minus 1, we know that I square equal to minus 1, I equal to root minus 1. Here 3 minus 3 can write it as 3 into minus 1, then it is expressed in the complex root, that is 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. From this we get the two roots, x equal to 1 plus I root 3 whole by 2 and x equal to 1 minus I root 3 whole by 2. From this, what are the roots? X equal to 2, 1 by 2, 1 plus I root 3 by 2, 1 minus I root 3 by 2. It is very important problem.